Cozmo on the left and Grimlock on the right. Robots ready?
Round 1. Fight!
Dinobots roar!
Oh man, Cozmo is severely undersized compared to Grimlock. But look at Cozmo's first attack. He's taking different approach. Oh, what's Grimlock doing? Like, Cozmo's trying to go underneath him. Grimlock can't seem to find where Cozmo is. Oh!
Out of my way!
Oh! The Cozmo going for an attack. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Cozmo's up! Cozmo's up! What's Grimlock gonna do? Wait, what's Grimlock doing? Oh no, he's transforming! Uh-oh. Poor Cozmo's about to lose! Cozmo's holding him back! Oh, Cozmo's back down! Cozmo's pushing him! Grimlock is down, can he get up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ding 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 ding, and Cozmo's the winner! Good job, Cozmo! Right, you guys ready for another round?
Round 2. Fight!
Oh! Grimlock is transforming into a dinosaur state! While Cozmo's right underneath it? Oh, Cozmo dodged that move. We're not really seeing what's happening there. Oh, there he is! He's coming out from the front! He's gonna attack him! Or is he running away? Cozmo's going underneath his legs! Cozmo's just going around in circles! Ooh. Ah! He farted on him!
Dinobots roar! Out of my way! Out of my way!
Oh, he's getting attacked! Cozmo's getting attacked! Cozmo's getting pushed! He's getting pushed to the edge!
Out of my way! Out of my way!
Uh-oh!
Out of my way!
Cozmo's stuck!
Out of my way! Out of my way!
Whoa!
Let's make her die!
Oh, Cozmo's down! Can he get up? Start the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ding, 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 and Grimlock wins. Good job, Grimlock. Let's get ready for another round.
Final round. Fight!
the winner! Good job, Grimlock! Alright, well there you guys had it. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to go ahead and comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.